When fall rolls around, it always means that the holidays are coming, like Thanksgiving, where there might be some friends and family visiting your home. It's always nice to do a few little extra things when you're getting your home ready for holiday guests, and it'll make them feel real special. My parents recently came over for a few days, and one thing that I put together that was a big hit was a fall coffee and hot cocoa bar, and I tried out a delicious pumpkin hot chocolate recipe, which I also want to share with you. If you're new here, welcome to Artsy Cupcake. I'm Maria, and I'm a full-time graphic designer, but the creativity doesn't stop in the office. I also love to do creative things in my home, so I like to bring you creative inspiration in the form of recipes, home decor, DIYs, and fashion lookbooks. So if you like those types of things, please make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. This video is part of the DIY Mommy Fall DIY and Decor Challenge playlist. Please make sure to check out that playlist below, as well as Christina's channel, to get some more fall DIY decor inspiration. Okay, now let's get into the 5 easy steps to get your hot chocolate bar party ready. So here is my little coffee bar area. It is a short countertop in the kitchen, and it's dedicated to that Keurig. I have my mugs above this and then my K-Pods in a drawer below, but we are going to set things up just a little bit differently so that things are easy to find for our fall guests. But first, we need to tidy this space. If you're like me, that Keurig does get dirty really easily, along with the countertops around it where the coffee always seems to make little splashes that are hard to see. I cleaned this area up and I wiped down the Keurig to make it look nice and tidy. Let's decorate. So we want to make this fall inspired, so I brought out some nice fall decorations and pumpkins to spice the area up a bit, and I added some functional items to hold toppings for our hot cocoa and coffee. I found the owl sign, basket, and ribbon at Walmart, and the glass tray, pumpkins, and candlestick are from Target. I dressed up that basket from Walmart with some ribbon, and it goes perfectly with my yellow and gold theme. Custom K-Cups. I wanted a yellow and gold theme, and since all the K-Cups sitting out are hot cocoa, I made a few little custom labels for the tops of those. I just stuck them on with little tape so that they can easily be pulled off before going into the Keurig. I put some cute sayings on there, and They're just way more fun than plain old regular Keurig labels. I did a free printable template for you, and I will link that in the description box below in case you want to print these out for yourself. Custom mug tags. You know how at parties those little wine glass tags come in handy? Well, I wanted to do a version of that for these coffee mugs. So I made 4 little tags for each of the guests, and I tied them around the bottom of the mugs. I got those tags at Dollar Tree, and they're just a fun way to keep everybody's mug straight in the morning when we're all half awake. It doesn't have to be fancy, just a little handwritten name tag really makes your guests feel special. Let's set it up. I used little glass jars I found at Dollar Tree to hold some of the toppings. And now we just set up all the toppings and add some extra spoons for stirring. I thought the cinnamon and Ghirardelli white chocolate chips would be great in either coffee or hot cocoa. And then I put a little fork out for stabbing those marshmallows. Let me share a quick homemade pumpkin white hot chocolate recipe because it is so easy to whip up and it's so good. All you're going to need for this recipe is 3 cups milk, 1 cup pumpkin puree, 1 teaspoon pumpkin pie spice, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and 1 cup of white chocolate chips. Here are some of the toppings you might like to use. I found this almond milk Ready Whip, and it tastes really good. It even adds a little bit more fall flavor to this recipe because it has that hint of almonds in there. And then cinnamon sugar and cinnamon sticks are also great toppings for this warm drink. First, you're going to combine the milk, pumpkin pie spice, and vanilla. And you will heat that over medium heat until the mixture begins to simmer. Then you'll add in those white chocolate chips and stir those until it's all melted and blended together. Ladle into cups and garnish with whipped topping, and then dust with a little bit of cinnamon sugar or pumpkin pie spice and that almond Ready Whip, and then some cinnamon sticks, or you could even put a few marshmallows in there. So here is the before of my coffee bar area. Very plain, very simple. And then here is the after. Plenty of fun options with that homemade pumpkin white chocolate. And then we've got regular coffee K-cups that can be customized with a few white chocolate chips in there or just some cinnamon. And then we have some dressed up hot chocolate K-cups that add a little bit of fall cheer to your guests' custom labeled mugs. This was really simple to set up, and your guests will feel ultra special with these morning treats. If you liked this fall recipe and DIY, please make sure to subscribe so you can get plenty more inspiration for the holidays. I'm really active in the comment section, so make sure to leave me a comment if you liked this, because I love getting to know everybody that watches my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.